Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix That's Not a Minecraft Skin Silly error message. This error typically occurs when the skin file you're trying to upload is not in the correct format. So I'm going to give you the steps to fix that. First of all, ensure correct skin format. Minecraft only accepts PNG files for skins. Make sure the file you're trying to upload has the .png extension. Also the resolution. The skin must be either 64 by 64 pixels, which is a new format, or 64 by 32 pixels, classic format. Any other resolution will cause this error. Also, the second step is going to be making sure that Minecraft supports two types of skins, the ones I've been talking about in the previous step, which is the classic and slim. Make sure the resolution is right. Also, the step number 3, re-upload the skin. You can go to the Minecraft launcher or minecraft.net and try re-uploading the skin. In the Java edition, open the Minecraft launcher, click on the skins tab and re-upload the correct PNG file. In the Bedrock edition, go to your profile in the game and re-upload the skin. Now, number 4 is going to be checking skin file integrity. If the skin file is corrupted or not saved properly as the PNG file, you may need to edit it or re-download it. Use image editing software like Paint.net or GIMP to check the file's format and resolution. And the last step, number 5, verify transparent layers. Ensure the skin has proper transparency where required. Sometimes the absence of transparent pixels can cause the skin to not render correctly. And following these steps should allow you to upload your Minecraft skin without encountering the That's Not a Minecraft Skin Silly error. Thank you for watching, guys. If this helps, don't forget to press the like on our video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to not miss new uploads, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.